A lady was once heating up a pot of water on a gas stove with the intent of cooking pasta for her family for dinner. A frog fell into the pot while it was sitting on the stove. While it wasn't his intention to be stuck in a pot of water, he didn't try to escape. He was comfortable enough as he was. The lady soon turned on the flame to begin boiling the water. As the water's temperature began to rise, the frog was able to adjust his body temperature accordingly, so he remained in the pot without trying to change the situation. However, as the water approached its boiling point, the frog's body temperature could no longer keep up. He finally tried to jump out of the pot, but with the water temperature continuing to increase, he didn't have it in him to make the leap. It was too late for the frog to save himself. Things don't always go as planned in life, and they certainly don't always go the way we want them to. But no matter how bad a situation is, it's critical to be